Protesters say a developer is dishonoring a famous St. Louis name by naming a new health clinic after the former Homer G. Phillips Hospital. Good evening. Thank you for joining us. I'm Casey Nolan.
And I'm Michelle Lee. They say that new facility is a clinic, not a hospital, and the name is not the developer's to give. Alex Fees reports.
Protesters chant on the sidewalk along Jefferson and then carry their signs right up the driveway of the new Homer G. Phillips Hospital at Jefferson and Cass in North St. Louis.
I toured this facility a couple months ago. It is not up to the same par of stories that I heard of what Homer G. Hospital was. You talking about a 700-bed facility.
They are opposed to developer Paul McKee naming this facility after the original Homer G. Phillips Hospital.
This is a clinic and trying to name it Homer G. Phillips. Shame. With no community buy-in. Who does that?
The Homer G. Phillips Hospital was once the only hospital for blacks in St. Louis when medical treatment was segregated along racial lines.
Homer G. Phillips Hospital was located at 2601 Whittier from 1937 to 1979 in the Phill neighborhood.
In the past, a McKee representative indicated they're adding a 100-bed expansion to the new facility and said, quote, "While we respect the right of those who disagree with our efforts to bring a life-saving facility to a healthcare desert, we have no intentions to re-examine the naming of this hospital."
We cannot and will not tolerate the legacy of attorney Homer G. Phillips and Homer G. Phillips Hospital be diminished, tarnished, and debased.
Protesters say naming this facility after Homer G. Phillips is nothing short of misappropriating black culture in St. Louis.
What is so outrageous about sitting down and meeting with the representatives of this community?
Alex Fees, 5 on your side.
And Alex reached out to the developer today, and we have yet to hear back.